How to install VST plugins in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio on your computer and go to Effects from the top menu bar. Here you will see VST at the bottom. Click on it and you will see two options: Search New Plugins and Plugin Preferences. Then choose Plugin Preferences. A new window will open with different settings tab. Here you will find the option to add a folder where your VST plugins are stored. Click on Add Path, then browse your computer and select the folder that contains your VST plugin files, usually in .dll format. After selecting the folder, click on Rescan to let Ocenaudio detect the available VST plugins. This might take a few seconds depending on the number of plugins in that folder. Once the scan is complete, close the Preferences window. Now, open or load any audio file in Ocenaudio. Then, go to Effects in the top menu, scroll down to VST, and you will see the list of installed plugins ready to use. You can now select any plugin from that list, apply your effects, and preview the results in real time before saving your changes. And that's it. Now you know how to install VST plugins in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.